Hello, so this is the Kenworth T800. Airbag has been replaced and we are ready to go on a test drive. I have the airlines for it, I just haven't put it on yet. And there it is, and there's the broken one. Alright, so the truck's been sitting for about 24 hours. So we're going to start it up cold, do our test drive, and whatnot. So this is going to be a long, lengthy video. Neutral, okay. Gotta push the clutch all the way in. Looks like no check engine light today. Oh wait, spoke too soon. Alright, so if you notice in the photos, that check engine light is referring to one of the emission sensors on the exhaust side. Alright, I'm gonna give it a bit of throttle. Hell, a good amount of air. Alright, like I said in the post, AC is non-operable. Blower motor works. That's something. That's nice. For the first time actually trying it. Alright, we got air. We're building. Alright, the frame just lifted. Alright, also in the post, I said the clutch brake was inoperable. So here we go, clutch in. Do the best I can driving and recording. Also, like I said, steering column does not lock. Give me a moment here, I gotta try to squeeze through. Alright. Now this video might go vertical just because I'll put the phone in my pocket to do some heavy shifting. But right now it's just gonna be nice and slow. To our first gear. Slow down a bit, not too fast. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and your brake works pretty good. That's more engine brake. Alright, so as soon as I get down to that street over there, the video will turn more vertical, and I'm going to do my best to basically show you everything I can do. driving the distance. Right now I'm just sitting in 5th gear. Best I can do. I am in 1st gear. Here we go. Basically, I'm gonna drive it to try to cause a problem if there's any. Basically, I'm just flooring it in every gear. So right now we're in 7th gear, going 40 miles an hour on some corners. 8th gear, going 45 miles an hour. 50. 9th gear, oh, we're going pretty fast. 55. 60 and 10th gear. I'm running out of real estate here, so I'm going to slow down. About the same thing on the way back. Temperature is about 150. Oil pressure is about 60 pounds. Dropping down from idle. We're dropping about, looks like 20 psi for oil pressure. Yeah, 20 psi. Sitting around 38, 39. Now we're back to 1st gear. Try switching pockets for this second part of the test drive. Let's see if that gives you a different angle. Here we go. Again, it's gonna kind of floor it. most subtle in trying to put it into gear from the stop. Second gear is the most gentle. If you're trying to do it from, sorry, trying to reverse. We're trying to go into gear from a complete stop. Reverse is nice and smooth. Last thing before I turn off the phone is to show that there is no blow-by. Thank you for spending all that time and watching this video and watching me sloppily test drive. Again, sorry for my horrible angles. Only have two hands, one for steering, one for shifting. Thank you very much.